Hey guys, so if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're really annoyed about one certain thing. And that one certain thing would be the seatbelt extender in these E92 M3 coupes. The seatbelt extender extends and then grabs the seatbelt so that way you don't have to reach back and break your shoulder to be able to reach the seatbelt. The issue is, as they get older, the belts kind of get stiffer, they twist a little bit, and then what ends up happening is what you guys are probably more than well aware of. This right here. It misses it every time. And then you're trying to fiddle around, trying to reach and grab the seatbelt, hurt your shoulder, all that kind of fun stuff. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this. So what we're going to do to fix this is put these on there. What these are some 3D printed extenders, so that way any which way the seatbelt is facing, they'll catch it. They're much larger than the factory one, as you can see, and so that way it'll catch it every time. The first thing we need to do is remove that silver part so we have a better area for the double-sided tape to grip onto. So to remove the factory one, it's actually double taped on in a similar fashion. What you're going to want is a little flathead like this, or a pry trim removal tool, and then you're going to go ahead and just push, twist, and you're going to remove that. So let me go ahead and remove that and then show you guys. All right, so once you remove it, this is what it's going to look like. All you're going to want to do is clean off that double-sided tape. You can just peel it right off with your finger. Then we're going to peel the backing off the new ones and apply the new ones on there. All right, guys, so there's the final product. What I did was just remove the double-sided tape, lined her up, and held it on there for about 10 seconds for the tape to bond, and that's about it. So as you can see, the surface area is way bigger than the stock one. Nice thing is it's black, so it kind of hides a little bit more. And let's see how it functions. There we go. That's nice. That's really nice after I don't even know how many times of having to reach back there for the seatbelt. Now I know every time it'll be just fine. So yeah, if you guys like the video, feel free to like and subscribe for more. Comment down below if you guys need anything else, and I'll make sure to include the link to where I purchased these from in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.